बहुत ज्ञानी हैं आप। लेकिन स्वामी विवेकानंद जी से खासकर उनका नाम नरेंद्र मोदी है, इसलिए आप नरेंद्र दत्त को आप नरेंद्र दामोदर दास मोदी से मिलावट करें, ये गलत है। ये जरूर मैं कहूँ, इसमें बुरा मत मानिए। मैं भी प्रधानमंत्री को सम्मान करता हूं, जरूर सम्मान करता हूं, क्योंकि उन्होंने ये देश की प्रधानमंत्री बने हैं एक बार नहीं 2 दफे, तो इसमें तो सम्मान करना ही चाहिए।
कम से कम हमारा लोग इंडिया इज इंदिरा, इंदिरा इज इंडिया, इतना ये हद तक तो नहीं गया ना, वो तो
कहां मां गंगा और कहां गंदी नाली, तो ऐसा फर्क मत करो, हमें कुछ बोलने में मजबूर मत करो, हमें कुछ बोलने।
In Parliament, Congress Party's face Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary has insulted Prime Minister Narendra Modi. He has compared Prime Minister Modi to something which is extremely filthy. This is a shocker coming from Congress Party's Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary, who is Congress Party's main face in the lower house of the Parliament. Let's go across to my colleague Prashant, who is joining us for more on this. Prashant, what he has said is absolutely shocking. Any explanation so far?
There's absolutely nothing that can explain the kind of words that Mr. Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary, who is of course the leader of the Congress Party now in the Parliament, has said. I mean, the way in which the Prime Minister has been targeted by the opposition leaders and the way in which the names are being called of the Prime Minister is something that many are questioning, and it has in a way cost the parties also in the elections. But despite that, no lessons have been learned, and what we are seeing in the 17th Lok Sabha, I mean, these are just initial days, just 4th or 5th day in the 17th Lok Sabha, and the kind of behavior which the opposition is showing is something that gives you a sense that perhaps even the 17th Lok Sabha is going to be a very stormy one. But the kind of language that Mr. Chaudhary has used is something that no one can support, and that's exactly what we will see in the hours to come, because we have been trying to speak with the Congress leaders, but they are not willing to comment on what Mr. Chaudhary has said.
Well, yes. In fact, for our viewers, let's also tell what exactly Mr. Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary has said. Prashant, stay with us. In fact, he is trying to compare Prime Minister Narendra Modi with Indira Gandhi and saying "Kaha Ma Ganga" and "Kaha Gandi Nali." That's precisely the word, in fact, that he has used. Very sad to see, Prashant, that Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary, who is a senior member of the Congress Party, using this kind of a language for Prime Minister Narendra Modi. He's not a newcomer in politics. He has been an MP before as well. But look how he talks for the Prime Minister.
Well, absolutely, and that's exactly what makes the case even more bizarre, because he is not someone who has come to the Parliament for the first time. He happens to be a fairly senior leader. He has, a lot of experience sitting on the floor of the House, and if someone like him will speak like this,